true to yourself and to others, steady and kind to your sister and brother. Together we innovate, lift our faith, brave and undaunted, we're not gonna hesitate. Keeping engaged and courageous.
Behold, Teen Talk Radio. Last question. If you got the chance to be a character, would you? And why?
Yes, I definitely would, and the reason is because all of the people here love you and care about you so much. They are taking out of their busy lives and everything to be here and to be with y'all and to make sure that y'all have a good time and to impart some wisdom onto y'all's lives because they love y'all and because they care about y'all.
Thank you. But that is all for Teen Talk Radio. Thank you for stopping by. We hope to see you again soon. Bye.